Hi, this is John with WTI. And when it comes to being the guy that they always ask you, like, do you got a mint? I'm that guy. And this is where this icebreaker sour comes into place. I always like to get like a mint or something that's always around. And this taste, this sour taste, it gets like this watermelon, this guy's this tangerine, this orange. It's just great. And the fact that I can just put this in my pocket or pretty much be anywhere, have one of these in my car, and every time that somebody goes into my car and then I have someone to give to them, pretty much it feels like if you're having some hospitality with them, and it just becomes so much better of the quality and the of the ride. So if you're just trying to have like a nice set of hard candies that you're gonna have to enjoy them, easy to travel around with, this is one of the best options. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.